cases rise, critics say Florida is underreporting new cases among school-age children. We're learning more now on the lack of statewide testing requirements for students in our state.
Good morning, my big boys. How we doing?
Face-to-face learning. That's the type of education Florida Governor Ron DeSantis not only pushed for.
The risk level to school kids is very low.
His administration, citing an emergency order, pressured some school districts, including Miami-Dade, Hillsborough, and Broward, to reopen early.
This is extortion by the Department of Education.
2.5 months since some schools began to reopen, state data shows a 56% increase in COVID-19 cases in school-age children.
Absolutely. There is an underreporting of cases in the state of Florida.
How? At least 13 districts in the state, making up nearly 50% of all public school students, say they don't require children who are quarantined due to exposure to COVID to present a negative test before returning to in-person learning.
If you do not test the close contacts of the individuals that tested positive in the school, you are missing cases, you are underreporting.
Intro to physics.
And potentially exposing teachers to a deadly virus, says Christina Finn, a science teacher working from home for Hillsborough County, a district that does not require quarantine students to present a negative test.
I think it's wrong.
Christina used to run half marathons. Now, since getting COVID 4 months ago, she's out of breath just walking her dog. She has heart, lung, and kidney issues. No taste, no smell. Her hair fell out in clumps. So much so, she had to cut it short.
If I get the COVID again, I may not come back.
Here she is with longer hair back in August, pleading to the county school board to teach from home.
I want to teach, but please think about us.
Of Florida's 5 largest school districts, Broward is the only one requiring quarantined students who show symptoms to present a negative test before returning to face-to-face learning.
Testing has to be part of that equation.
Superintendent Robert Runcie says the state pressured, or as one school board member put it, extorted Broward with threats of losing state aid into reopening early after the school board had already voted to continue with distance learning.
If you go and open too early, you're going to see a spike in cases.
While Governor DeSantis did not respond to a request for comment.
You do not quarantine healthy people who've been exposed.
We played a portion of his recent remarks to FIU's infectious disease expert, Dr. Eileen Marty. She says if a leader doesn't have the complete data to make decisions about public health in the state,
the result is that you may make the wrong decisions.
And during a pandemic, wrong decisions can lead to more death.